Okay folks, this is going to be a tutorial on how to make the data table and the graph using Google Sheets. There is another one if you're choosing to use Excel. I recommend Excel over Google Sheets, but I know not everyone has Excel. So here it is on Google Sheets. What I will do is I will do the half-life number as one of my columns, and then I will do the number remaining as my other. So independent on the left, dependent on the right. We started with 0 half-lives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm just going to make up numbers. So I'll say there was 100 to start, and we had 53, and then we went to 24. Then we dropped down to 13, then 7, 4, 1, 1, and then we'll say finally after half-life number 8, 0. So I've gone ahead and created this data table. Let's make it a little bit neater. I'm going to merge the cells and give it a title. How about number remaining? Based on half-lives. And if I want to make it look pretty, I can go ahead and center everything, align, center, perhaps make these bold. If I need to make the cells a little bit bigger, I can do that too. Now notice these numbers do not have any units attached. At this point I'd say I'm happy with this. I can go ahead and use this data table for the final product. I'll show you how I want you to do that in a moment. We're actually going to use MS Paint or some kind of other thing like that because you need to submit this as a PDF file, but I'll get to that at the end of the video. Let's make the graph first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the numbers. Notice I'm leaving the labels out. I will go to Insert. I want to do a chart, and I get this stuff here. So I'm going to change from line chart, and I want to go to a scatter chart. So we click on scatter. Now this was in my suggested. If I kept scrolling down, I see scatter would be right here as well. My axes are already taken care of, so we're pretty happy with that. We'll go into customize. We see that the chart axis and chart titles are already there. You can, if you want, open this up. Chart title, number remaining versus half-life numbers already there for me. Horizontal axes, it's already labeled as well as half-life, and the vertical did as numbers remaining. So now I need to get a line. So I'm going to click on series, and in series I will go to Trendline. Now it defaults it as linear, which is definitely not. Giveaway, it's an exponential. So I turn this to exponential. I see that this line is here. It is not plain connected dots. That is a smooth drawn line. My label, I will click on use equation, and I have my equation prominently displayed right here. So I'm happy to go with this. Now I need to be able to submit it. So what I'm going to do is I am on a PC, not a Mac. Not 100% sure how it is done on a Mac, but you could hit print screen, and then what it will do is it will copy the screen that you're looking at. Or if you're on a PC, you hit Window Shift S all at the same time, and then I get this tool here, which I can copy. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the data table first. I will go into here, delete all this stuff from before, paste this, and if I want the zoom out, close all of this down, paste it, zoom in, pretty good data table. And I'm going to hit Control P or print. I want to print as a PDF, so I will print, and now it's going to say cool, give it a name. So I will give it a name, data, and now it's a PDF file, and I can upload that PDF file onto the Google form. I'll go ahead and delete this and show you again with the graph. Same deal. Take this, paste it, Control P, and Microsoft Print to PDF. Now, let's say you are doing an entire screenshot of your desktop. That's fine. I hit the print screen button and paste it here. From here, it might not be a bad idea to open up a second paint window. So what I can do is when I open up a second paint window is I can select this, copy it, and paste it over into another one. Well, there you go.